Have you heard about the latest health trend, Ozempic? Initially made for treating diabetes, it has become quite popular among famous people. Elon Musk, for example, recently said that the medicine helped him lose a lot of weight. He dropped nearly 14 kilograms by combining Ozempic with intermittent fasting for impressive results. However, when it comes to medicines, there can be downsides. Despite being effective, Ozempic can cause unwanted side effects. For those hesitant to try pharmaceutical solutions for weight loss, there is a natural option similar to Ozempic, promising similar results without the risks. Enter a simple but powerful juice made with just 3 ingredients. With daily intake over a few days, you'll see noticeable improvements. This natural remedy not only reduces hunger but also helps reduce water retention and swelling. It also cleanses the intestines without the unpleasant side effects often associated with medicines. For the juice you'll need 1 banana, 1 orange, 1 glass of water, 5 bay leaves. Making this juice is easy. Start by cutting the banana into pieces. Peel the orange, making sure to keep the white part for its fiber content, which helps your intestines work better. Boil water with 5 bay leaves for 5 minutes. Pour the bay leaf tea into a blender, add the orange and banana and blend until smooth. Enjoy this tasty juice every day, preferably on an empty stomach, to start your journey to better health without compromising safety or effectiveness.